So, hi dear Cancer, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Cancer Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 23rd of March. Roles can be reversed also and not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. So let's start. Cancer, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. We have the Six of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and the Eight of Swords. Sorry, I'm feeling a little cold. Let me find the AC remote. It's far away. So honey, this is somebody who feels love for you, who feels emotions for the situation, who feels this situation is highly imbalanced. There's no equal give and take of energy in the situation, but they still have emotions, they still have love. And at the same time, this person is somebody who can't stop thinking negative about the situation. Even if this person is trying their best to think positive about the situation, to remain open in this direction and to sort it out with you in a positive way, they are not able to understand what they should actually do. Even if they have all the love, all the emotions of the universe for the situation, they are they're not just able to understand what they should do in order to bring the balance back in the situation. So they feel stuck, they feel like they are in some kind of mental jail, and no matter how hard they are trying to come out of that mental jail with all of the love of the universe in their heart, they are not able to come out of that. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Two of Cups, the Four of Cups, and the Six of Cups. This is somebody who wants to reconcile with you. Straight up, this person wants to reconcile with you. They want to come back in your life and they want to have a connection with you as it used to be at some point of time, letting go of all the other options, other people, other disappointments, other situations that they were stuck on till this point. This person consider you as their soulmate, as the one for them. For some of you, this person sees you as somebody with whom they had a very beautiful past life connection with. This person is not able to let you go out of their life, out of their system, out of their heart and soul, and they just want to reconcile with you by letting go of everything that is kind of creating any kind of blockages between you and them somehow. Their intention is very pure here. Their intention is very beautiful and very connected to their heart and soul right now. I don't see intention of revenge or bad things or bad karma or this or that. I do see this energy of wanting to be with you with all of their heart and soul in a very beautiful and positive way. Wow, very good, Cancer. Wow, you're attracting something or someone from your past and they can't just let you go, even if things are more than complicated. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 23rd of March. Hmm. We have the Four of Swords, the Emperor, and the Lovers. Oh God. It's like right now they are in this energy of let me heal, let me heal, let me heal. Let me heal properly. Let me decide what's best for me and Cancer, what's best for me and my love life. And then I'm going to take action when I am going to feel like, okay, now I'm ready and now I know what I want in my life. Now I know what I should do in my life. Then I'm going to move forward in this direction. So they are taking their time because they have taken a decision regarding the future direction of their love life. That includes you as well. But right now they are refusing to take any kind of action in this direction because according to them, until unless they are going to be 100% sure, 1000% sure that this is the right course of action from their side, they are not going to do anything about it, even if it is going to take them 1 year or so. Doesn't matter. They love you, they want you, but according to them, they need space, they need time, they need a deep rooted healing, and they just want to make a right choice, make the right choice, make the right decision when it comes to their love and relationship area. Then only they want to proceed further. Okay. For you, the guidance here is the Ace of Wands. You are going to have option, or you already have options in your love life. Go ahead and do not look back. Don't wait for somebody to come back around and show you the love and the passion and everything and make you happy. Cancer, keep yourself super super happy, super super energetically connected to other people, other things, other situations that makes you happy, that gives you a passionate and productive kind of energy. Keep moving ahead, Cancer. Yeah, it's a clear cut indication from the universe's side. Explore new things, explore new energies, explore new situations in your life, and don't wait for somebody to show up in your life and make you happy. Be happy, then attract the other energies. Reverse the game. Uno reverse. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.